Hello, this is John Locke, and today we're going to talk about how you can help a reporter out and help out your SEO at the same time. One of the main things that you can do to help your SEO and boost your rankings is getting links from relevant sources, trusted authority websites. One way that I found that you can get links from credible sources is a service called Help a Reporter Out, or HARO, I don't know how they say it, but we'll say HARO. So helpareporterout.com, you go there, you sign up. There's different lists that you can get on. It's a free thing. Basically, what's going to happen when you sign up for a contributor account, you'll get emails 3 times a day, Monday through Friday, a morning edition, afternoon edition, and evening edition for the particular lists you sign up for. There's a generalized list with all the topic categories, but you can sign up for just the specific category lists. What you're going to get is invitations to pitch for contributions to online publications. So basically each email is formatted. There's a list of the different pitches. There's one-time use email addresses that you reply to, the name of the person writing the article, the name of the publication that it's going to appear on. Sometimes it'll just say anonymous, but usually it'll give the source. And then the information that they want from you. So usually they're looking for subject matter experts in particular subjects, or they're trying to answer a particular question. For example, right now, what I'm seeing a lot of are questions about millennials in the workplace, or crypto, or blockchain. There's lots of different variations on this. I think the main lists that they have are business and finance, high tech, health, general. There's a couple others I'm not remembering. Those are the main ones. If you see a pitch in there that you're a subject matter expert for, say if they're looking for a source for a particular question, you just reply to that one-time use email, address the person, and give whatever they're asking for. Sometimes they'll ask for a specific thing, like say 250 words or a couple paragraphs, or just a quick, sound bite that they can put in there. And then maybe your name, your title, your headshot, maybe a link to your website. What I try and do is I respond to as many of these as I feel are relevant. For me, I just respond to the ones that are either about SEO or online marketing or web design. I've gotten a couple links for e-commerce. I've done e-commerce sites before, so I can speak on that. Here's some things to know about these Help a Reporter Out pitches. The quicker you respond to these, the more likely it is that you're going to be included in the finalized article. These writers that write for these internet sites, they're having to push out a lot of content and publish a lot of articles. I wouldn't wait a day or wait until the end of the day to respond. As soon as you see them, either forward that to your marketing department or the person that handles that. If I have a client and I see a pitch that's perfectly suited for them, I'll either call them on the phone or send it to them, forward it to them. It depends on the client, how busy they are, or what I know about their schedule, how tied up they are. The quicker you respond, the better it's going to be, because these people have a deadline. They have to publish this. They're not going to be waiting around. Usually the deadline for these is usually a couple days, but if you respond as soon as you get it, the better it is for you. Second thing to know is give them exactly what they're asking for. Like I mentioned, it'll usually be a couple paragraphs, your name, your title, your expertise, whatever it is. Just make it easy for them, because they're sifting through hundreds of these on each pitch. Third thing to know, you're not going to get every pitch. And in fact, the majority of the ones that you reply to, you probably won't be published. This is a numbers game. You have to reply to enough of these to get a link. The way I figure you're going to get somewhere between 10 and 30%. You're not going to get 100%, that's for sure. So reply to any of them that you feel are relevant, and realize that this is a long-term strategy for building links. This isn't something that you can do just over a week and expect to get 50 links to your site. You might get 10, 20 links over a long period of time, but it's going to be worth it. These are quality publications. They're not going to be your aunt's cat blog. These are going to be name brand publications that you're getting published in. So any links that you can get from here is going to be good. To help a reporter out, this is a service that I use. I monitor it. I know that I forward ones to my friends that also do SEO as well if I see something that's relevant to them. This is a good thing to just be aware of. It's another means for building links, which is going to help your SEO. And again, you're usually going to be published in pretty credible websites. So this is a good thing all the way around. If you have an SEO question that you'd like to see us answer, go ahead and drop it in the comments below and we'll answer it out in a future video for you. We're publishing videos once a week, so if you're getting value from this channel, go ahead and subscribe. My name's John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO. We help manufacturing and industrial companies with SEO. We help them get more organic traffic in Google and Bing so they get more requests for quotes. That's it for now, but until next time, peace. All right. If you want to be an SEO hero, you got to get with the HARO.